Hi you guys, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles, and today I wanted to share with you guys some fun things I got for my birthday. And today I was going to share with you guys the things that I got from Audrey. She bought all these things that are part of the Rilakkuma and Mr. Donut collaboration that Sanex was doing. And as you might have heard, it was quite an ordeal to even be able to buy them. She was waiting. The store was supposed to open at 10 online, and immediately from the time that the store opened, she was placed into a waiting list of people who were waiting to even get in to access the website. She had to wait 2 hours before she could even get in, and then she was able to buy things. But it was worth it because I have all these cool things now. I'm so happy. So I was really happy to get this because these are two of my favorite things. I love Mr. Donut and I love Rilakkuma. My favorite character is the little brown bear, Chairoi Koguma. And then I really like everybody though, but that's Rilakkuma and Rilakkuma and the yellow bird, who I love. He's so funny looking. And then there's also a bee, which is really cute. So these are all the main characters that are featured in this series. And as you can tell, kind of maybe from here, this is the Rilakkuma version of a pon de ring donut. And then the Rirakkuma's donut is this strawberry donut. And then the guy over here, the birds one, is this honey glazed, and the it's really hard to see because it's really dark, but the little brown bears one is the chocolate donut there. So they have little faces on the donuts. So of course they don't sell those actually at Mr. Donut, but everything else is from the kind of collection that is available at the store that you can get as donuts. So it's kind of a cute collaboration in that sense. I've been just showing you some things there with the this notepad. There's some really cute artwork on that. Let me see here. Yeah, it's all the faces of them enjoying their favorite donut, kind of, if you will, with some coffee because Rirakkuma's old enough to have coffee, and then eating a strawberry one. Not eating the one that their face is on necessarily, though. Yeah. And can't really open it so easily. There you go. So this is just a memo pad that has little removable memos that you can just rip off, so you can use to write down your grocery list or whatever you might be so inclined to use it for. So that's one thing I got. And then there's another version of that features them being at the store, and all the different donuts are listed back here. They're exactly the same as what's actually at the store. I love that the little yellow bird has a coin purse that's shaped like a donut. So cute. So they're getting their selection of favorite donuts, and then this one has slightly different artwork than the other one did. This is them sharing donut pieces. So cute. And then this one is them, that same imagery kind of the actual inside of the Mr. Donut, where all the donuts are on the trays behind the glass. And I skipped one, I think, actually, but yeah. So those are some of the more classic pages that you have for these series. I don't think there's one here. Yeah. That's one too. Didn't I show it already? I can't remember. I thought I did. Oh no, that one, maybe I didn't show that one. So that's kind of the main gist of what the designs are. Now, everything can be repeated in terms of designs in different other items, like these stickers. And then they have all these stickers that you see on the back here. And there's a nice collection of all those to have. And also these guys. So it's nice to have all the different, them hanging out with all the different official Mr. Donut donuts. Is very cute. they really went and put a lot of effort into making all this stuff because it's really cute. This is a file that's just for putting paper in, A4 size. And he's on the back. So cute. And then we also have these other things that I got, which is this really cute pouch. It has a zipper on the top here. And you can use that to take with you. You know, it's supposed to be kind of like for travel or something. And there's Rilakkuma there. And then that's his donut, kind of, with his face on there. And then the Mr. Donut logo on there. It says copyright Misto and Rilakkuma in 2025. So kind of cool. I love that. It's so adorable. I did not think I was going to be able to get that. So that was very cool. And then another thing I got is this nice pencil case. I didn't think I'd be able to get this, but it's very well made. The logos are embroidered there. And then you have just a collection of all the cute artwork. And like I said, it's a beautiful pencil case, and inside this nice gold lining and more artwork on the other side. It's just so cute. And then they have this really cute charm on this one. It keeps janging around everywhere. But that's the same donut that's, you know, the one that has the Rirakkuma's face on it. And it's a really nice heavy gold charm that's on there for that. And then the last thing I got is this cute little figure. It's like puffy little figure. And they actually did have all of the 4 characters, but I really wanted him. And it's just so cute and well designed and very fluffy to touch. So he's really cute. I was so happy to get a hold of him. Now, like I said, this whole series was really hard to get a hold of. And then sure enough, the next day when we got up and looked at the store, everything was sold out. So it was kind of crazy to be able to get anything. But I was really happy to be able to get all of these things. I did order 2 other items, but we're not sure. They weren't actually from the store. We were worried if we'd be able to get anything. And so we bought some from some other place, and they haven't shipped yet. It was a mug, cup, and a notebook, a spiral notebook. So if those arrive, I'll make sure to share them with you guys later. But for now, that is everybody. And it's just so cute. And really like a dream to get the chance to have 2 of my favorite things collaborate together. It's very cool. So, yeah, that was what I got from Audrey for my birthday. So, thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! As a little extra note, I didn't know if maybe you guys wanted to know how much each of these were. The file, I think, was about there it is, yeah, 180 yen for him. The pencil case was 1,500 yen. This cute file was 2,300 yen. Not file, that's a pouch, Heather. Use your brain. These memo pads, they are 400 yen each, and they have 100 sheets in each of them. And then this little guy here, that little figure, he was 980 yen. And then the stickers have 50 in there, and they were 500 yen each. So not really too bad. I mean, I would normally get this many things, you know, when I would just buy them for myself, but it was nice to really splurge and get all the things I'd always wanted. So yeah, that's the price. Thanks, you guys.